Internet viral clips, a place where you see daily internet viral clips. What would you call this? How did he catch it so much fishes? Well, I think this man is definitely drunk. Well, that's how blades are sharpened. These wallpapers look so beautiful. Share this to your friends and tell them money grows on trees. This little kid catched a huge fish. Guys, do you know what is this?
Good and tasty.
Well, what is inside that truck?
Mahamatlı tiz boy amına koyayım. Siktiğimi dedim ki pistonla lak dedim. Yok bir kendine sözümü dinleyin ya. Bak motorun götüne hepsi yavaş yavaş. Düşeceğim ya.
Guys, please don't try this in your cell phone. Alright guys, that's it for today. Subscribe and YouTube think this video is made for you, and I'll see you in this video.